Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe at your home. As you know, water from a lake or a pond may contain various impurities and germs. Today, we will learn various methods of purifying water. This glass has water from a pond that may contain various impurities and disease-causing germs. The impurities from the water can be removed by the following methods: sedimentation, decantation, filtration, boiling, and chlorination. Let us discuss them one by one. Sedimentation, the process of settling down of mud and sand present in water when kept undisturbed for some time is called sedimentation. The impurities that settles down are called sediments. We use alum, which is commonly known as fitkari, to fasten the process of sedimentation. The second process is decantation, the process of separating clear water from settled mud after sedimentation process by slowly pouring it into other container is called decantation. The sediments remain in the other container. Even after sedimentation and decantation, some floating insoluble impurities floats in water. We use this third method called filtration for this. The process of removing insoluble impurities from water by any porous material like cloth, filter paper, or cotton is called filtration. The water obtained after filtration is called filtrate. The solid remaining in the filter paper is called residue. Look at this picture. People purified water by this method in olden days. They use pebbles, sand, gravels, and charcoal to filter water. The fourth process is boiling, the process of heating water for 15 to 20 minutes to kill the germs present in water is called boiling. It is important to boil water before drinking as filtered water may contain germs. The germs present in water can also be killed by using chemicals. So the next process is chlorination. It is the process of killing the germs present in water by using bleaching powder or chlorine tablets. We can use bleaching powder, UV rays, or chlorine tablets to kill the germs present in water. Hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you, kids.